Hi, this is Ron Kaufman, and I'm in LUX Island Resorts in the Maldives with a very unique individual who really has responsibility for taking care of the kids, the little kids and the big kids. Hi, tell us, who are you?
Hi, my name is Imma. I'm looking after for the kids club operation in LUX Maldives.
So the kids club operation, which means the little ones,
Yes,
comes under your care.
yes.
And what is it about the big ones?
Even big ones, of course. I am a DJ, so during the night time I used to look after for the big ones in the nightclub. Chick, 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 playing DJ.
So you're the entertainment manager as well as the kids club manager.
Yes.
Now tell us about Kids Club, because this is something that's not so common in the Maldives yet. What are you doing?
Actually, one of the key value in our company is consideration for the people.
Yes.
So we do care for all our guests, big or small.
Okay.
So we want to give them a great time. We don't mind whether they are big or small. So in the one thing we do understand that once a family comes in here, even parents also, they would like to have a time to spend as a couple and enjoying a quiet moment with their own.
Okay.
So this is the time that we take care for the little ones, and we will make sure they will get an amazing experience in here.
Great. So you take the little ones away from mom and dad so mom and dad can have some romantic private time without feeling guilty.
Yes.
So what are some of the things that you do here at this amazing facility?
Probably in the we have one of the biggest kids club in the Maldives, which we want all our kids to have wide range fun activities, including with crab hunting, crab race, coconut hunting and coconut painting, henna tattoos, including with water sport activities. One more thing, which is we don't not only having the fun activities, we want to give a learning and education experience to our little ones, which is including marine biologist touch tank and teddy tennis, and learning the new culture of the Maldives and the Maldivian calligraphy.
So learning marine biology, learning a sport like tennis even at a very young age. And then there's something that you do with cooking?
Yes, we do have an activity called Cake Boss.
Cake Boss.
Yeah, that means the kids, the little ones, they are the boss of their own little pastry kitchen.
Okay.
They want to storm and bake their own cupcakes and cookies and other pastry items. They're gonna just decorate with different decorations, and they will take it away to their parents as a present.
Oh, how wonderful. How wonderful. Are the kids having as much fun as it appears that you are, Imma?
Yes.
This is Imma. He is the Kids Club manager at LUX Island Resorts here in the Maldives. So whether you have kids, or you are a little kid, or you've got kids, this is a wonderful place to bring your family to enjoy and celebrate life.
And one more thing, if you came here as a family to spend your holiday, you came the right place. And if you are looking for a destination in Maldives for the family destination, this is the place you have to be in LUX Maldives, because once you come here, each moment matters, and we are here to celebrate your life.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Imma.
Thank you.